Join me as I try to explain RDF and how it really works using simple analogies that anyone can understand. Imagine a world where information is scattered all over the place, and it's hard to connect the dots. That's where RDF, or Resource Description Framework, comes in, a powerful tool for organizing and linking data on the web. It's like a master key that helps machines understand and share information in a way that's easy to use and navigate. We've all been there, trying to piece together information from different sources, only to find that it doesn't quite fit together. Traditional databases can struggle to connect disparate data sources, making it tough to get a complete picture. It's like trying to build a puzzle with missing pieces. Data comes in all shapes and sizes, and often it's stored in different formats, making it hard to find and reuse. This can lead to duplicated efforts and a whole lot of confusion. But what if we could create a system that allows data to be shared and connected easily? That's where the challenge of data interoperability comes in. When data is locked away in separate silos, it's hard to get a unified view of the information. Think of it like trying to get a complete view of a city when each neighborhood has its own map. To make matters worse, traditional databases often rely on rigid structures that can't easily adapt to changing data. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. When data doesn't fit neatly into predefined categories, it's hard to make sense of it. Let's consider a simple analogy to illustrate how RDF works. Imagine a library system where each book has a card that describes it, title, author, publication date, and so on. RDF works in a similar way, but instead of physical cards, it uses a structured way of describing resources on the web. Each resource can be described in terms of its properties and relationships to other resources. RDF structures data in a way that machines can understand and share. It's like creating a universal language for data that allows different systems to communicate with each other. When data is structured in this way, it's easier to search, query, and reuse. The main insight here is that RDF uses a simple yet powerful structure, the triple. A triple consists of three parts: subject, predicate, and object. This allows for flexible and dynamic data relationships, making it easier to connect information in a way that's not possible with traditional databases. Think of it like building with Lego blocks. Each block can be connected to others in countless ways. This triple structure is what makes RDF so powerful. It's like having a master builder that can connect information in a way that's easy to understand and navigate. RDF's flexibility also makes it easier to evolve and adapt to changing data. In short, RDF's triple structure is the key to unlocking flexible and dynamic data relationships. It's a game changer for data management, and it's going to make a big impact on how we work with information. So, that's RDF in a nutshell, a powerful tool for organizing and linking data on the web. Its significance lies in its ability to connect information in a way that's easy to use and navigate. Whether you're a developer, a data enthusiast, or just someone who loves to learn, RDF is definitely worth checking out. If you've got any thoughts on RDF, I'd love to hear them in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about linked data, be sure to check out my related video.